Hello everyone, nice to see you. It's Anna here, I'm in Amsterdam and the weather outside it's a bit cloudy but it's bearable. Today I will open the October goodie box. It came just yesterday, so I'm waiting for it very much. Let's start! Before we start with unboxing the October goodie box, I give some feedback about the September one. So I have tried these two products and I just cannot say anything special about them. They are good. The mask for the hair, it feels soft, and the mask for my face, I was wearing it. If I was wearing it, it was the whole day and it just felt okay. So no complaints. I hope it works. Maybe when my skin starts to age a lot, I will appreciate the effect of this mask. Maybe it saved me in the future. The next thing I tried is the collagen powder, if you remember those small sticks. Of course, I see no effect of it, and also I don't understand, we just got 5 of them and then I sent it to my mother, and how can she see the effect if you need at least to take them for 2 weeks or something, 10 days. Just yeah, a lot of questions, and those 5 sticks, they just mean if you want to see something you have to buy more. Before you continue watching this video, maybe you consider subscribing for my channel, so just click the button. Let's start with opening the box. Very passionate color. This color, it's amazing. The pattern, the colors, they're so wow. And inside it's also patterned, and it's patterned everywhere. Okay. Whoa, we actually got a discount code for this advent calendar. The advent calendar is from Denmark and I think I will very much consider to buy this one. First time in a very long we received the leaflet, the actual one, not electronic. So I am not looking at it because I don't want to be spoiled, but very nice. I have a big collection of those leaflets. This is just a part of my cards. As you can see, a lot of them. Plus, one more. Okay, one by one. First we have cognac sponge with collagen. Moshi Moshi Mind. It cleans the skin and gently exfoliates the skin. So it's exfoliator. At this moment I have a lot of exfoliators, so this one I will save till later. It's good till 2024, so yay, I have an exfoliator for far future. This is Mind Sponge from Moshi Moshi Mind. It's 100% natural vegetable fiber. The key features: it cleans the skin deeply and gently exfoliates your skin. And how you use it, you put it just in warm water for 3-5 minutes. And then you massage your face, or you can also do it with your body with the sponge, either with or without the cleansing soap. And after use you just rinse it and dry it in the cool place and then reuse it again. So this is a mask stick. You can apply just like a deodorant on your face. It is pretty big, I would say, mask tube. So Here we have the mask, which is made in France. So first you have all the information in French and then with the small letters in English. This is 3-in-1 regenerating mask stick. White clay for sensitive skin. Avoid the eye area and leave for 5 minutes in a thick layer. And then just rinse with warm water. The next one we have a face cream. It's a protective, moisture preserving and regenerating cream. They all say that. It's not perfumed and it's closed and it will stay closed for me. This is a very small tube of a face cream. First I even thought it's a tri-size, but it's a full size. It's made in Denmark by professional pharmacists. It's not very expensive. Read it as affordable. I hope it smells good, or it doesn't smell at all, because it's zero perfume and 100% vegan. Here we have a lip gloss. It's from Sandstone, some brand I never heard about. It looks very bright, made somewhere in the EU. I have no idea where. And I don't know. The lip gloss, now that I know that it costs 18 euro, it looks very interesting to me. Actually, while I'm holding this lip gloss, it opened a bit, so it's not so tightly closed. Here we have something very small, very small. Oh, so these are the gummies from the advent calendar. For a second I thought this is a makeup advent calendar, but this is an advent calendar with vegan gummies. So, but still, maybe it's very cool. And the gummies, of course, I will try them. Tasty. Next we tried those delicious gummies, Wally and Whiz, black currant with strawberry. It sounds very gourmet, and as I understand, in the advent calendar you get all the different tastes. The last one, okay, we have tweezers. Do I need it? I will send it to Ukraine. They need some tweezers. It's from the same brand and material as I've received the eyelash curler. The only thing I can say that it is just rusted now, so it's not stainless, or how would you say that? It's not so shiny and nice anymore. I'd rather say I don't like the color now. I hope the tweezers won't be like that, but who knows. You even expose the tweezers to water because maybe they're in your bathroom or... Oh yeah, I wish luck to my family. Guys, that was it for this goodie box, but before I leave you, let's just look at the leaflet on the prices and just some general estimate. This was quite expensive, 16 euro. This stick cost the same as the tweezers. What? This lip gloss, it costs 18 euro. I will give it a chance, you know. Maybe it will become the best lip gloss ever in my collection. It's also quite pricey, 14 euro. This is the full size as well. So in this box we got everything full size. I hope I will tell you more about the products the next video. I will see you on this topic in 1 month. Have a good day or night.